What are API rate limits?
API rate limits are rules set by API providers that restrict how many requests you can make within a certain time frame. These limits help prevent abuse, ensure fair resource use, and keep services reliable for everyone. Understanding rate limits is essential for any developer who works with public APIs.
Why do APIs enforce rate limits?
APIs enforce rate limits to protect both their servers and users. Too many requests at once can overload systems and slow down service for everyone. By establishing limits, API providers balance performance, security, and cost, ensuring equal access for all developers and protecting sensitive infrastructure.
Common types of rate limits.
There are several types of rate limits, including requests per second, requests per minute, or requests per day. Some APIs use fixed quotas, while others use more complex windows, such as rolling 15-minute intervals. Always consult the API documentation to know what kind of limit applies.
Detecting and responding to rate limits in code.
Most APIs return special status codes or headers when you hit a rate limit, typically a code like 429. Good practice is to check for these responses in your code. When a limit is reached, pause your requests and wait for the time period to reset, following the guidance provided in API headers.
Automatic rate limit handling strategies.
To handle rate limits automatically, implement retry logic with exponential backoff. Your code should track request counts and timing, possibly by reading API-provided headers like X rate limit remaining. Some libraries offer built-in support for rate limiting, making it easier to avoid exceeding limits and ensure smooth operation.
Best practices for managing API rate limits.
Respect rate limits by batching requests, caching frequently used data, and only making necessary calls. Monitor usage and errors, and adjust your code if you consistently approach limits. Following these best practices helps maintain access to APIs and keeps your software reliable and efficient.